Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can manually specify the settings for the Smart Fix tool if the Auto Smart Fix command produces unwanted results. Doing this lets you more carefully set the amount of overall correction applied to an image. To do this, select Enhance, Adjust Smart Fix from the menu bar to open the Adjust Smart Fix dialog box. Use the Fix Amount slider to set the amount of correction to apply to an image. You can also enter a percentage into the adjacent % field if desired. Note that clicking the Auto button in the Adjust Smart Fix dialog box is the same as selecting the Auto Smart Fix command under the Enhance command within the menu bar. When the image has the desired level of correction applied, click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.